I'm at Natural Teeth Implant Center with Dr. Jason Lee. We're talking about implants and how they're becoming more popular than, let's say, dentures. So first of all, thank you so much for having me.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. So why would you say that is the case? Why are dental implants becoming more popular than dentures?
Well, I think functionally, they're just way better for the patient. When someone loses their teeth, they want to regain that functional ability to talk, speak, eat, and dental implants give that to them. The technology is improving, the access to care is improving, and people just kind of want to have their life back with a full functioning set of teeth, and that's the closest thing you can get to your natural teeth.
And of course, there are other implant centers out there. So what would you say sets your practice apart?
Yeah, I mean, implant centers are exploding everywhere, and it's super important for the patients to sort of vet who they're going to, what they're going to. There's no real standard that makes you an implant center. A lot of people can just go take some courses and then announce themselves as an implant center. So first and foremost, this is a big decision. It's life-changing and it's expensive. You want to be able to bond with your surgeon, your team. You want to feel comfortable with them. It doesn't matter who they are, whether they're implant center, oral surgeon, whoever's doing it. Secondly, I would say look at their credentials. Are they surgically trained? Are they restoratively trained? Did they just take a course, or were they board certified through the ADA? That matters. Training matters, experience matters, and you want to make sure that you're going to the place that suits you and can give you what you're looking for.
Right, that makes a lot of sense. And so you used advanced technology like 3D imaging and digital planning, which I think is really cool. So how does that change the experience and the results for your patients?
I think the experience overall is just so much better. I mean, the days of taking impressions and hooking yourself up to these weird gadgets, you're like, I don't want to go to the dentist, I don't want to do that. Now we can just digitally do it. We don't have to do the impressions. We scan the faces, we put them into the computers. I can plan the surgery completely beforehand. I can give them alternatives, give them options, and they can see it in front of them on the computer screen, and that gives them a little bit more understanding of what they're getting into. So I think from a comfort standpoint, it helps them. From a knowledge standpoint, it helps them. And just efficiency, we can translate that all to the computer. We can go from the desk to the surgery room to teeth within 24 hours or less,
That's amazing. And what I also think is cool is that you do offer, saving the integrity of the natural tooth as well. So it's not just about implants here. So why do you think that's important to offer both of those under one roof?
Yeah, I think, and that goes to the implant centers again. There's a lot of these implant centers that just or big corporations or small, or they only offer one thing and they have to set their own, this little protocol that they go into. We call ourselves Natural Teeth. There's nothing that can beat natural teeth.
Well, if somebody is interested, how do they get more information?
Obviously, give us a call. Check us out on the website, 904implant.com. You can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or just stop on in and say hello. We're always here.
Well, thank you so much for having me. I know that this can be life-changing for so many people.
It certainly is. And interesting, it's life-changing for us and our team too. We see these people that just come in and they're so ecstatic, and just, we got grown men crying, and we're, it's just as life-changing for us to see that happen for our patients, and we really like that better.
Great job satisfaction, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Do you want to know if you qualify for dental implants? Click the link in our bio, visit www.904implant.com, call us at 904implant, or scan the QR code on our screen.